good morning, namaste. I express my deep gratitude and thanks to the great Vishnu Prasad for the important breath work program which I enrolled and completed with him. 5-day breath work program with Vishnu Prasad proved to be a great blessing for me. The power of breathing, the healing techniques of the breathing, and to master our mind and body. That was the main objective of the breath work program which was given by Vishnu Prasad. The important point is, can we control our mind? Can we control our body? Can we control our soul? Can we control our emotions? Can we improve our physical, mental, spiritual, emotional health by using breath work? The answer came yes after the 5 days, because I find that Vishnu Prasad taught us many important breathing techniques during this program with one objective: master your body and mind. Why do I want to master my body and mind? It's a very important question, first question. Because if I master my body and mind, then I take charge of myself, I control myself. And when I control myself, I can do the things which I want to pursue in my life. Whatever my passions are, whatever I have a purpose, whatever desires I have, I can manifest them by mastering my body and mind. And if we can do it by breathing, this is a very natural thing, then there is nothing better than this, I believe. And the program which started, the day one was an orientation program which was introduced, that what is the main benefits of the breathing. It is a scientific thing that breathing improves your immunity system, it provides relaxation, removes stress. Stress is a killer. And the man who is working the whole day is exhausted, tired, and is full of lot of stress molecules throughout the body, and that stress is causing great damage to the human body, and lot of chronic diseases is the cause of the stress in our life. So how do we relieve that? Then breathing techniques can help us relieving these stresses and relieve the fatigues which we are experiencing. And the day two was how to fix your breath to lower the blood pressure, diaphragm breathing, belly breathing, abdominal breathing, and Shitkari, Shitali. All these were demonstrated and we were given practice of these in day 2 by Vishnu Prasad. This program is practice based. We have to do these breathing exercises along with the Vishnu Prasad, along the videos which were shown. Day 3 was how to release chronic stress by Brahmana Langana and Nadi Shodhana. And as I practiced, I find that yes, this is working, and slowly when I will practice, I will become better and more perfect in this. Day 4 was the pranayam, which was Kapal Bharti, to strengthen the immune system. The important point is he mentioned about the brain fog. What is brain fog? That, for example, right now the people are having a brain fog of the coronavirus. Coronavirus is affecting the psychological health of the large number of people in our country today. All over the world, people are having psychological pressure of this coronavirus. So there is in the brain we have a coronavirus fog. How do we remove these fogs? There are certain past events, there are certain tragedies which has happened in the life of people. That fog is there in the brain. How do we relieve brain fog? Kapal Bharti is the very good breathing technique to relieve the brain fog. So then Udgit and certain chanting of AOE, and also was taught an important technique of Brahmari. Inhale from the nostril and exhale. Be breathing, it provides great relaxation, to our mind. And the day 5 was another important recap of all the various pranayam which he has discussed with the various techniques which were taught to us, and came the seven chakra asana. So diaphragm breathing, Shitkari, Shitali, Brahmana, Brahmanya, Langna, Nadi Shuddhi, and Nadi and chakra meditation, Kapal Bharti were a part of the programs which were practiced. And we find that the seven chakras are important for releasing and removing the obstacles and blocks which are there in our body. And I would say that this breathing program has taught me one thing, that the morning routine is very important. How do we begin our day will decide how do we end our day. So the day, if it begins with breathing exercises, if it begins with meditation techniques, it is very helpful, because it releases all the stress, it relieves all the negative energies, negative thoughts. And the day, when we begin in the morning, if we can control our mind and body and our emotions, I think we become masters of ourselves. So that is the whole objective, that we can become master of our body and mind by using the breathing techniques which were taught by in this 5-day program, programs given by Vishnu Prasad. So I would say that this is a very good course, and more people should join it and take it, because it will improve their immunity, and by this they can become masters of their life. So before I end the session, I will chant some Udim and in this session. So I'm closing my eyes. Inhaling from my nostril. Breathe in. Last time. So I am thankful to Vishnu Prasad and the entire family which attended the breathwork program, and I hope we are benefited, and we will continue to take help of Vishnu Prasad in future. Namaste.